If you are planning to undergo liposuction and you are really worried that what kind of result you can expect post liposuction, then please do watch this video. I'm Dr. B.K. Garg. I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram since last 15 years at Iconic Clinic. Liposuction procedure is very commonly performed procedure in cosmetic surgery. In this procedure, we make use of special techniques to remove fat from various areas of your body. Now, it's important to understand what kind of improvement you can expect post liposuction procedure. First of all, you need to understand that liposuction only removes fat from under the skin. So particularly if you're looking at contour improvement in tummy area, then this procedure will remove fat from under your skin. It's important to understand that bulge in tummy area or the fullness in your abdominal area can be because of fat under the skin and because of fat inside your abdominal cavity around your internal organs, which is commonly known as visceral fat. This procedure does not remove internal fat or visceral fat. So if bulge in your abdomen is largely because of internal fat, then this procedure may not help you. Apart from that, it's also important that sometimes many of you may have bulging tummy or bulging abdomen because of very poor muscle tone. A poor muscle tone, even with little fat, may look protruding or bulging. So liposuction may not provide significant improvement in such cases. But still, liposuction can be very helpful, particularly for flanks or side handles on the sides of your abdomen where most of the fat is under the skin, on lower back, in buttocks, in arms where there's a lot of extra fat and very difficult to remove to be lost by diet or exercise. So liposuction will always provide a lot of contour improvement where there is a lot of extra fat under the skin, particularly in tummy area. It's not a replacement or substitute to generalized weight loss or to poor muscle tone. In good toned individual and close to ideal body weight, liposuction results can be dramatic and very gratifying. So, during your consultation with a trained and board qualified plastic and cosmetic surgeon, he or she will be able to make right kind of judgment and able to provide you right kind of suggestion whether liposuction is going to help you significantly or to whatever extent is possible to improve the contour in particular area. All said and done, liposuction is very gratifying procedure in a rightly selected patient. So if you have any queries regarding liposuction procedure, please get in touch with us. We'll be very happy to help you.